In today's video, I'll show you how to change the background color in Notion and give your workspace a personal touch. Start by opening your Notion workspace and hover over the block of text you want to customize. You'll see 6 dots appear on the left. Click them to open more options. From the menu, select Color and you'll get choices for both text and background. Scroll down to the background section and pick a color you like. It instantly updates the look of that block, so feel free to experiment until it feels right. Now, if you're hoping to change the entire workspace background, Notion doesn't have that option yet, but there's a workaround. Go to Settings in the top left corner, then select Preferences, and under Appearance you can switch to dark mode. This won't give you custom colors everywhere, but it does change the overall theme for a cleaner or softer look. And that's it. You have now learned how to customize background colors in Notion. If this guide helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.